Hello, Tony here for Sprint 3. Sorry about last week. I hopefully did a little bit better this week, though I'm still a little bit behind. So, bear with me here. Right, so I'm going to jump right into my personal project because I have that up and I can explain it fairly easily. Then we'll get on to the collision-y things and whatnot. Right, so I've got a basic test here up. I've got it saving in, but as as you said, the reading back out maybe is the more harder part because it seems to be like corrupted when it comes back out. But anyway, I've got this class here. I'm gonna have to dig further than that. Right, so this is like the user side class that's just got like some keys so that I can and some sprite fonts attached to it so that I can we have a little bit of a visual, which I'll show you in a second once I explain it. Right, so this is the manager here, savable manager. This is what does the actual serialization, deserialization, and like basically handling the file. It's nothing too fancy yet, just kind of proof of concept, more or less. Slash prototype. So we got savable here. Also pretty bare bones, but starting to look a little bit more towards the direction I want to go. Yeah, so just eventually I'll have like some sort of registration thing here. That's why these are here. These are actually the private functions that'd be called by like a command or pattern or something. But yeah, anyway, let's look at it. Right, so up top here you see the current player position and save player. So I just did something, if I hold down 3, this is the current position in world space based on a player, or I can just tap it, basically just updating that. And then if I hit 1, it will save it, which look in. Where did you go? Oh, why am I in assets? Up in. Well, okay. I swear that it's somewhere, but I currently don't know how to make it go to the right folder. So I'm hitting 2, which is loading it. Basically, doing this part, deserializing it, loading it. And if I hit 3 again, it will have some ridiculous number working on figuring out why it's doing that. But I'm getting closer. And I've got some of the stuff. I was originally going to give you a class or a UML diagram, but you wanted the prototype instead. But I've got some been planning stuff out. Anyway, probably not exactly what you wanted, but I'm getting there more or less. Anyway, we gotta get on to collision. You probably already saw some of that, but got an OBB here. It currently I don't have I didn't have time to put in collisions for the OBB, so that sucks. I'm sorry about that, but I do have ABB and the whole visitor pattern all worked out. So let's and a few other little bits and bobs, such as the you can just change the thing here. Let's quickly do a B sphere. Prove that the B sphere works with the visitor pattern and all that, which I'll show the code for in a little bit. But right now, turn this turret around. Boop. I up the speed on this guy so you could run around a little faster. But yeah, so it works as intended. Go ABB, a little more spicy. I am recording this, right? Yes, good. It'd be tragic if I was not. Right, so we got our ABB here. As you can see, it changes, computes a new box size, I guess. the best way to describe that. Anyway, yeah, there we go. Giving us some nice precision. Look at that precision collision. It's doing the right area. It's amazing. I'm way too proud of this. I don't know why. Anyway, so it does ABBs. Let's change the enemy tank. Right now I'm just using the tanks as a easy way to see that it's actually doing what it's supposed to. ABB. Right, so let's give them an ABB so that you can see how it works. Oh, it's being a little slow. Oh my. That's a sign. My computer is trying to destroy itself. Anyway, but the collisions work. I don't know why that's so laggy. Hmm. Well, yeah, I'll show you the code in a little bit. I'll just switch this over to OBB so you can see it again if you want to. If not, skip ahead a bit. Yeah, OBB visualizes correctly. Doesn't do collisions just yet. Still working on that. Especially with the OBBs. vSphere is not too hard. OBB still haven't had to do that. Right. So we want to look at the code for it. Oh, right. Okay. So got vSphere, ABB, OBB. I also added a null collision volume for reasons that I will probably be able to show more easily later. Right, so put in the debug view, of course, inner visitor pattern, right? So that's right here. For the vSphere, it's nothing too crazy, same calculations, but now it visits things like a cool guy. So ABB, very similar setup. I try to follow the same pattern when I do stuff like this because it's nice. Right, so we got compute data here, lots of if statements, but this is for running through the vertice list. I don't know, there probably is a slightly more efficient way of doing this, but I don't know. I mean, I don't think there's really much else you can do. But this is what I've got currently. I don't know. It was so maybe I did something stupid. I probably did something stupid. Let's be honest. Anyway, got the min and max here after it runs through the vertex array to change it and all that. Got center being computed. And yeah, too crazy. OBBs. Right, yeah, here's the simple calculations for now. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to put something else in there for the actual collisions. But right now, I've got it visualizing and, creating a box of the correct size and all that. And all the other things besides collision. Or, well, obviously, it should be colliding, but I don't know. Right, so I guess still got to show stuff from last week, don't I? So we've got the change the pair collision tests. Yeah, as you'd expect. I'm not gonna spend any crazy amount of time on that. Where's the visualizer? There's the visualizer. Visualizer. So we got our commands here. All very similar, but now there's ABB, OBB commands, and enum. Right. So visualizer. Probably important to look at. Added quite a decent amount of stuff here. Actually, I had bug where the because I had a full recycling system set up here, but for the commands. But then I realized that create, creating the new ones and not casting it screws it up. So yeah, that was a fun bug to chase down. That was just me being stupid, really. Not really so much a bug. Yeah. So this is this creates the commands. Currently, just getting new ones. Uh, yeah, that's probably need to. That's actually probably where the lag is coming from, if I'm honest. Creating new commands. This is just the shut compiler. Uh, from because of the switch statement. So yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Show vSphere, show AB, show OBB, doing the things it should, and of course more private renders to be called by their proper commands. That's probably plenty then. I don't think there's anything else that needs to get shown. Yeah, okay. I mean, I guess I could show bullets. All right, well, if you don't want to see bullets, close the video now, but let's do some bullets. Loop. Oh, that would have. I would have to change it back to spheres because the square or the AAB is not tall enough. Derp, derp, derp. Yeah, again, if we don't want to see the bullets going, then that's fine. Nothing else after that. After this, B. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that probably could just have like a static variable. It'd be a little easier to find. Anyway, bullets work similar or the same. Yay, bullets. Although I could put an AAB on the bullet. That would be fun. Let's do that. This video is going on way too long. If you're still here, where's a collision? No, set collision. Right. Yeah, that's right. So I defaulted it to B sphere. Let's see if we can get square bullets. Oh, that is a funny looking square, but I wonder if I can get it to be like, where's the, oh, it'd be that way. Yeah, oh, that's neat. Anyway, I'm having way too much fun with my terrible engine. I'm gonna cut it off there.